After all the work, why can't I spend the money? Why can't I take care of my body, eat what I want to eat, go to places I want to go to? I'll check it out now. Money, like, I need to enjoy my money because I work for it. I work for that money. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Yay! My name is Rose Edet, and I'm a sailor. I'm a female sailor. I go to ship. I stay in the ship for days, for weeks, for months. So the channel is all about ship life, my lifestyle. I bring in vlog once in a while, like everything in between, but mostly I talk about ship life as a female sailor. So today's video is all about how I enjoy my money. Like, after all the work, after being at sea for many months. I've been at sea. I've done 9 months straight at sea before. I've done that. I've done 5 months. I've done 7 months. Like, imagine that you'll be in a particular position for months. You can't go out when you want to go out. There's restriction, and maybe at the jetty you have chance to go out when we had shore pass, but you can't go far because you need to come back at a particular time, or you can't go that far because it might be late coming back, so you just need to look for places around. And finally, I'm off this ship. I'm on vacation. I'm in my house, that I have all the chances to go to wherever I want to. Like, that situation, you just be at home. Now I need to go out. I need to, like, take care of myself. Now I have all that right. So today's video is all about how I enjoy my money. This money, I work for it. Like, nobody is giving me. It's my stress. It's my sleepless nights. I just want to show you how I spend small changes. Like, I know there are important things you need to do with those money. You work for it. Especially my job description, there are a lot of courses to go for to upgrade your papers and all that, which means you need to save. There are family, maybe some other people wants to invest their money, buy property. I know all that, but at the same time, baby girl must take care of herself, must enjoy this life. So apart from work, apart from personal spending, I want to show you guys how I spend my money sometimes that I want to take care of myself. I just want to feel good. I just want to go out there and spoil myself. A kind of division, a type of work I do, yeah, as a lady, that's the type of work I do at sea. And you see, most enjoyment I have. Thank you very much for watching that video to the end. You can see how I'm smiling. On a very normal day, I don't smile, but when we are talking about money, my cheeks will all be standing. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for always supporting me. For my new subscribers, thank you. For those ones that have already there, you know the routine, how we do it now. Thank you very much. Please, and for you that haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I have gist like this for you people, you'll be the first to see. And for my mariners, let's keep the work going. See you in my next video. Bye.